Welcome to the Burger King factory. In this video, let's dive into the delicious world of Burger King and explore the step-by-step process that brings your favorite burgers to life. From receiving the ingredients to the final product, it's all about quality and flavor. Step 1. Receiving ingredients. Every great burger starts with the finest ingredients. We begin by receiving fresh beef, veggies, buns, and all the essential elements. Each ingredient is carefully checked for quality and freshness. It's like picking out the perfect gift for your loved one, only tastier. Step 2. Making the bun. Next, we tackle the all-important bun, the foundation of our burger masterpiece. We mix flour, yeast, and a few secret ingredients to create the perfect dough. After kneading it to perfection, it's cut into perfect little portions and shaped into buns. Then they go into the oven to become golden and crispy on the outside, soft and pillowy on the inside. Step 3. Preparing the beef patty. Now, let's get to the star of the show, the beef patty. Fresh, high-quality beef is finely ground and seasoned with a secret blend of spices. Once it's perfectly shaped, the patties are cooked in our industrial ovens to lock in that mouth-watering flavor. We're not just cooking meat, we're creating burger perfection. Step 4. Preparing the other ingredients. While the patties are cooking, we're not slacking off. We prep the fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crispy onions, and the perfect sauces, mayo, ketchup, and more. We make sure everything is fresh, crisp, and ready to take your burger experience to the next level. Step 5. Preparing the cheese. Now, cheese, because what's a burger without cheese? We slice the cheese perfectly to fit the patty, ensuring it melts just right when placed on the hot beef. This is where the magic happens, the melty goodness that binds the burger together. Step 6. Assembling the burger. Alright, let's put it all together. We start with the bottom bun, then place the hot, juicy patty on top. Next, we layer on the fresh veggies, followed by the melted cheese and our secret sauces. Finally, we crown it all with the top bun, pressing it gently to lock everything in place. Voila, the burger is ready for its final touch. Step 7. Quality check. We're not done yet. Every burger goes through a meticulous quality check. We ensure it looks perfect, tastes delicious, and follows all hygiene standards. No burger leaves the factory unless it meets the highest standards of freshness and flavor. Step 8. Packaging and shipping. Once it passes the quality check, the burger is carefully packaged to keep it fresh. We ensure it's in perfect condition before sending it off to Burger King restaurants. And with our fast and efficient shipping, it's delivered to you as fresh as when it was made. And there you have it. The Burger King production process ensures each burger is made with fresh ingredients and exceptional care. When you bite into a Burger King burger, you're tasting the result of all this hard work and attention to detail. Enjoy!